identify whether set G, which consists of the element of 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 under addition modulo 6 is a group. Is it abelian? So, using Cayley's table, mas madaling malalaman natin if set G is a group and if it is abelian. So, kompletuhan mo natin ang Cayley's table. So, sign ito is under addition modulo 6. Okay. 0 plus 0 ay 0. 0 plus 1 ay 1. Bakit 1? Kasi in modulo, kung hindi ka pa nakakarating kay 6, ilalagay mo yung sum nila, which is 1. Okay? Wala pang remainder. So, 0 plus 2 ay 2. 0 plus 3 ay 3. 0 plus 4 ay 4. 1 plus 0 ay 1. 1 plus 1 ay 2. 1 plus 2 ay 3. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. 2 plus 0 ay 2. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. Walang remainder, so 0 ang ilalagay natin dito. 3 plus 0 ay 3. 3 plus 1 ay 4. 3 plus 2 ay 5. 3 plus 3 ay 6. Okay? 3 plus 4 ay 7. 7 divided by 6 ay 1. Remainder, 1. 4 plus 0 ay 4. 4 plus 1 ay 5. 4 plus 2 ay 6, which is 0. 4 plus 3 ay 7, so 1. 4 plus 4 ay 8, so remainder 2. So, para malaman natin na it is nag-group siya under addition modulo 6, kailangang masatisfy niya ang closure property, ang associativity, existence of inverse, and existence of identity. Kung isa lang ang mabiolate sa kanila, so hindi siya group. And same din sa abelian. So, para malaman natin na abelian siya, kailangan din niyang masatisfy ang those properties. Okay? So, let's go to closure property. So, kailangan niya. In closure property, we need to show that A plus B is an element of G. G. For all A, B is an element of G. So, ibig sabihin, kung mag-add tayo ng dalawang element na galing kay G, halimbawa, dito, 1 plus 2, dapat yung kanilang sum ay nasa group pa rin ng G. So, in Cayley's table, makikita natin na the number 5 appears several times in the table. Ito, diba? Which 5 is not an element of G. So, dito pa lang, closure fails. Okay? So, therefore, G is not closed under addition modulo 6. Since na-violates na niya ang closure property, since closure property is required property for a group and it's not satisfied, so G is not a group under addition modulo 6. So we can conclude that set G is not a group under addition modulo 6. Is it abelian? Abelian? Not. Bakit? Kasi hindi na-violate na niya ang closure property kahit hindi na natin i-prove ang associativity, ang existence of inverse, and existence of identity. Kasi sa closure property pa lang na-violate na niya. So, it's not a group and it's not an abelian.